3, 2, 1.
Hey, we're here at the Tech Garage Studios.
Sorry, one more time.
That's right.
3, 2.
Hey, we're here at the Tech Garage Studios for the Tech Tip Tuesday, and I just want to welcome everybody, but that wouldn't really be good because I got Jeff here. Jeff, why don't you give him the welcome today?
Howdy folks, we're here in the Tech Garage with John Gardner. And so we got this cutout vehicle here, and John, what you got in your hand there? It looks like a code reader.
Yeah, we did. We actually scanned our little car here, and we come up with an oxygen sensor code. So Jeff, I'm going to send him into the parts house and let him get an oxygen sensor because that's the problem. That's not how it really works. He's got my father's shop, a master certified shop. How do you guys deal with these problems?
Well, you know, we get that question a lot of times. Is they'll say, hey, I ran up to the parts house and I got a code. And what we have to tell them is, okay, all they're doing is, you have to remember, they're selling parts, we're fixing cars. So bring the car by, let us take a look at it, let us do the scan on it, and then there's a few more tests. Because like you said, like an oxygen sensor, it may be throwing the code that it's lean, and they say, oh, I need an oxygen sensor. And when we look at your vehicle here, you can see that lean just means air is getting in somewhere. And so whether it's the oxygen sensor or whether we have a leak in the system, then we have to break out another tool. We get our smoke detector and we put it on here and we look for smoke. If we have other issues on here that can be causing a lean code. And then when we talk about the oxygen sensor, a lot of people aren't always realizing that there's two parts of oxygen sensor.
Yeah, you got the heater circuit and you have the other circuit. So a proper diagnostics is definitely intact, no doubt about it. A lot of people don't know too, this is pretty cool, this little handout here, tech tip of your day. If you're scanning a code, actually you could have a B code, which is body, C is for chassis, P is for powertrain, or U is some network codes. That's some new stuff on there. And then you have a 0 or a 1. 0 is generic, the 1's manufacturer specific, and then the rest of it's either the system and the actual fault of the actual code itself, so you can tell what's going on. Good idea to scan it, get an idea what's going on, but the best thing you can do is take it to a certified shop, an ASA shop, something going along the lines of some professional. Let them look at your car and decide before you go waste money on a part. There's wiring, there's integrity, there's harnesses, there's all kinds of diagnostics these guys perform every day. Students coming into your shop, what do you think about that, man? We got to address that real quick, man. What about all these guys coming in industry? You want to work with them?
Well, and that's the deal is we need to get them from shops like yours, or schools like yours, where they're training them. I came in here and I'm just super impressed with the setup that y'all have because you have to teach them the deals. But then, John, you had shared with me a while back about when you train them and then they come to my shop, the difference, because I'd asked you one time, what would you tell shop owners out there about the ones that you're training and the ones that you're teaching?
Yeah, absolutely. Be patient. We're bringing these guys out there. You got these phenomenal shops out there that are utilizing all this technology. Give them a chance. Let them get out there. They'll do a great job for you. I hope this tech tip helps you guys. Jeff, you come all the way down. Jeff Buckley from my father's shop in Texas, man. It's great to have him here on Tech Garage. Now he gets an honorable Tech Garage t-shirt. Wear that proudly in Texas, man. You do great things over there, and we sure appreciate you.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much, John. And as a matter of fact, we got one from my father's shop here just for you.
Yeah, look at
so
that.
So I hope that's the right size for you and you wear it.
That's right. You're out in Midlothian, Texas. Go visit Jeff, man. You guys see him. He's got a great shop, great things going on. Thanks for watching today. More tech tips coming every week right here from Tech Garage, a.k.a. Chipola College.